Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video we are going to get ready. So I'm basically going to get ready to shoot another video. So this is going to be a quick makeup tutorial. So without wasting much time, let's get started with today's video. So to start with, I am going to first moisturize my lips using this one from Vaseline, and this is the one from the tinted collection that they have come up with. I just love this one, so I'm quickly going to use this on my lips. Just to give some hydration to my lips. And now I'm going to go ahead with a moisturizer. Now if y'all have been watching me for quite some time, y'all know my favorite moisturizer. If y'all can guess it, then very good. Y'all can comment down below. So this one is from Pond's. I just love this moisturizer, and I use it as my primer, as my makeup base. But let me tell you guys, I use it only when it's a normal occasion, or whenever I just want to look very simple. I want to create a simple makeup tutorial, so that is the time I use this moisturizer. So let's just apply it. Okay, so now that I'm done with the moisturizer, now I'm going to move ahead with a concealer. Now when it comes to concealer, I had got this concealer from Swissbeauty, that is from Amazon, and it was quite affordable. I've been using it for quite some time, and it is really good. You just need to find a correct shade to your skin tone. So this is the one which I got, a little lighter to my complexion, I would say, but yes, it does help me to give a good coverage and to hide my dark circles. So let's get started with this one. And now I am going to quickly blend it. So I'm using this blender. This is my favorite blender. So all these products are actually my favorite, but yes, so I create my simple makeup look using those products. Okay, now I am done with the concealer as well. So now I'm going to move ahead with my blush. So I am not going to use the actual blush here. Instead, I am going to use lip and cheek tint. Now this is, again, I had purchased from Amazon, and this was like a Benetint which I got. I've already done a review on this, like a collection of my tints, and I can link it in the description box below. If you haven't checked it, y'all can go and check it out. So now I'm going to use this one. Now honestly speaking, the only thing I do not like about this one is the applicator, but other than that it is really good. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it, just blend it and apply it on my cheeks. So I'm just going to blend it super quickly. Whether it's a tint or a blush, I just like to little bit of application on my nose as well, because I don't know why, but I just like. Okay, so now since that I'm done with my tint, y'all can see it just gives you a little bit of a brighter glow, I would say, and a natural glow. So now I'm going to apply a lipstick, and here I'm using this one from Elle 18. So this is a very light shade, a pinkish shade, but it's really nice, it really looks good. So here I go. You can also use this as a blush if you want to, but right now I'm just using it as a lipstick. So yes, this is my final look. I'm finally ready to shoot another video. So this is just a makeup tutorial. You all can consider a simple makeup tutorial, and all the products that I use for a simple makeup tutorial. So all these products would be linked in the description box below. And yes, if you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.